I'm going to now show you how to find the surface area of this particular relief. I'm going to go onto my 2D view, select the boundary of the relief, and I'm going to change the primary colour down here to red. Select here to flood fill vectors, so that's changed all of the vectors within there, and I'll take off my 0 plane and click here, colour shade. This will colour all of the relief that is coloured in the 2D view. This particular instance it is red, and I'm going to go to the relief drop down menu and select surface area under colour, and it will give me here the surface area of this particular relief.